Hello, in this video we will look at how subscription customers can manage class content using the class editor. The class editor is a tool which instructors can use to assign class content and choose class settings. For subscription customers, some class editor settings are disabled. To modify a disabled setting, please contact Immerse2learn support at support@immerse2learn.com. To access the class editor, go to Immerse2learn homepage, then click the Edit Class icon under Actions. Class settings available for subscription customers include the following. Order priority is used to set the order in which classes appear on yours and your student's homepage. The next fields are self-explanatory and should be set as desired: class name, description, and term/year. If the class status is inactive, students will not be able to access the class content. This is typically always set to active. Support email, this should be the instructor's email address. Class type, use as needed. This setting does not change the student experience. Next, we have the Courses section of the class editor. Click the plus icon in the Courses ribbon bar to expand the window. Use the pull-down menu in the SEQ column or sequence column to change the order in which the courses are presented to the students. Or select the blank spot at the top of the pull-down menu to disable a course. The final and certificate columns have checkboxes to enable or disable for each course. Click the minus icon in the Courses ribbon bar to minimize the list of courses. Now, let's go down to other optional settings. Class information/notes, use as needed. This setting does not change the student experience. Activate final exam. Use this setting to enable or disable final exams at the class level. This setting will only turn on exams which are enabled in the course list. Note, at least one final exam must be turned on in the course list to activate final exams at the class level. Default self-enrollment status. When set to active, newly enrolled students will automatically be active in the class and can begin navigating through courses. When set to inactive, students will see the class but will not be able to navigate through the courses until an instructor activates them in the class enrollment page. Please see the video on the class enrollment page for more information. After making changes, click the Update button at the top right of the page to save your changes. For Immerse2learn support, contact support@immerse2learn.com.